everyone, I'm Rebecca and welcome back to my sewing room. It is finally time, the big reveal of Elsa. If this is your first time seeing a video of mine about the Elsa project, I have been working on an 1890s Elsa Spirit Dress project based on the original artwork by, I'm going to butcher her name again, but this person, Gebruerstein? Question mark? Gebruerstina? I don't know. In any case, she did absolutely beautiful artwork, which I will pop on screen here, and it was so gorgeous. I fell in love with it and I decided I had to make the 1890s Elsa Spirit Dress. I have made 3 vlogs about this spirit dress so far, so I will put one of them up above and link all of them down below in case you have not seen any of those. But today's video is all about the final, the big reveal. Now, of course, that said, if you watched my last vlog on Elsa, you might remember that this isn't actually the final Elsa, because I wanted to bring the Elsa project to you as a whole project, as a series of videos all together, and actually there is one more element to Elsa that needs to be done, and that is the diamond motif that needs to be done in the different colors of rhinestones that go all around the hem of the dress. So that will come later after Halloween, because right now I'm in the middle of all of the crazy last minute Halloween sewing, and I will either post here as a video or post here to my community tab and direct you all to my Instagram to let you know when that is all done and dusted. But for now, this is Elsa 1.0 final version, and here is some fun video footage for you. joining me for this video. I do really hope that you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please go ahead and click the thumbs up icon. And if you'd like to see more videos like this from me, please go ahead and click subscribe and the little bell icon to be notified every time I post a video. I do post videos twice a week to YouTube, with my regular content coming out on Friday and my sewing vlogs on Tuesday, but I post every day over on my Instagram, so please go follow me on Instagram. That's at Lady Rebecca Fashions. And I have a link to my Ko-fi account down below if you would like to support me and my channel even further. Once again, thank you so much for joining me on this whole Elsa saga. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Happy sewing!